Okay, first of all, let's start off with this front shaft is bent. Now, I didn't do it. Can't blame it on me. I mean, that was the way it came. As you can see, it's bent. So that definitely has to be fixed. But that's something we can do. Now we're going to crank it up. As you can tell, it's running rougher than a cob. Smooths out, but it's sure running bad on the idle. We're going to see if the mixture adjustment will take care of it. Yeah, that took care of that. Just like a little bit of tuning would have made this a good carburetor. Yeah, it's messed up internally. Yeah, that's a good candidate for a rebuild right there.